talking to her. Kylie.
Is she looking at you?
Yeah, look at her. She's tired. Are you tired? She's observing. She's like,
Yeah,
where
she
am I
is.
at? I want to go home. Okay. You stretching them legs? Getting them ready? She must have a relay with them. Ready? Hey, Kylie. She's so little. She looks way bigger in the pictures.
Yeah, she is.
Aww. You finna go home since she looks like your mama.
Mommy, you wanna open your eyes? Huh?
Is she warm?
Yeah, they got the heat on.
No.
Can you see me? Huh?
She hears you.
Can you see me? She's looking, using them eyes. Now you can see me, huh?
She was just sleeping too.
Hey.
So you woke me up.
Hey.
She knows you're here. You sure she's not cold?
No, it's
I'm all over.
yeah, just put your hand in.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes by her temperature. So if it feels that she's cold, then it'll throw out more heat.
You're doing good, Kylie.
Oh, you open your mouth and look at you.
She's hungry. She's hungry. Are you hungry, Kylie? What's her name?
Kylie.
I'm saying it right.
What's her name? Got that on camera.
That wasn't me.
Hey.
Look at her moving her left feet.
Can you see me?
Okay, okay.
She's doing fine.
Is May gonna come up here and see her? What is that? I heard her?
No.
You're so cute. God bless you. She's so tiny. Everybody says she's so big. She is so tiny.
Look at that big toe.
I know, look at this. She don't have some feet on her. Are you chewing gum? She's too cute. That's your baby right there, Dom. That's what you've been waiting
Breathe,
for.
mama. You got it.
Is she breathing?
She's hungry. She's kicking. She's kicking. There she goes.
I think she's hungry.
Okay,
They have her on the schedule, I think.
Oh.
let's see, 9.
Oh, 9, okay.
So yeah, she gets kind of feisty.
Okay.
But you can put her passy in her mouth.